Welcome to ASV Export, manufacturer and exporter of industrial equipment. We are an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, established in 2007 at Navi, Mumbai. We export to South Asia, China, Bangladesh, and other countries. Transparent business practices, customized solutions and timely delivery schedules make us first choice of our clients. We offer a vast range of industrial flanges, galvanized, and butt-weld fittings. Our industrial valves and fire extinguisher balls are best in the industry amongst others. We offer fire hoses and industrial safety equipment that are nothing but the best solution for all your needs. Hose coupling, pipes, and tubes offered by us are some of our best-selling products. Along with that, we offer mild steel products and cable tray accessories that are available at affordable prices. We also provide concentric reducer used for plumbing that are acknowledged for their functionality. For more information, log on at www.asvexport.in.